Hi, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to do a video on a face mask, an aloe vera face mask. So this is aloe vera, the real thing, guys. So if you want to see how I make this aloe vera face mask, you can watch this video till the end. It's very beneficial. It helps to clean the skin. It helps with youthful look. So I'm just gonna remove the outer skin and add some vitamins and other things to my aloe vera. And then I'm gonna put it in my food processor and mix it all in, and I'll do a face mask. So if you want to see that, guys, just continue to watch this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more beauty videos like this, keep watching. Thank you. So I'm going to start by removing this outer skin and get to the fleshy jelly inside part of the aloe vera. So you just need a knife and you're just going to remove that outer skin to get to that fleshy jelly inside. Okay. So that's how it looks inside, guys. So you can peel off that outer green skin. That's it. Okay, so that's it inside. So it's a jelly. A jelly-like consistency. And I removed that outer bit, so it's very like slimy, you know. And aloe vera is very useful for a lot of beauty. It's in a lot of beauty products. It's used for skincare. You can use it as a laxative if you ingest it. So it has been around for ages. So just okay. So this is what it looks like. That's the gel that's in there now. Okay, so I have maybe half a cup of it in here, and so I'm going to put it in my food processor. Okay, so I have my aloe there. I'm going to add vitamin E. So there is my vitamin E, and I got this in the drugstore. I think I'm gonna use maybe a teaspoon of vitamin E in here. Vitamin E is also good for the skin, so I'm just adding some nourishing ingredients to my mask here. Okay, so I'm just adding my vitamin E to my bowl right there. I have some glycerin. I won't add another teaspoon of glycerin. Okay, so I just leave that to drain. I have some rose water. So there's my rose water. That was my glycerin. Okay, so rose water I'll do maybe just a little, because I think this is a concentrated version of rose water, so I won't add too much. Maybe add a quarter teaspoon of rose water, because this is the concentrated one. Oh, rose water. Alright, so we have rose water, and I got me some organic honey. So I'm praying that I don't itch with this honey. I'm okay with some make my skin itchy, but I'm gonna take one for the team, guys. For the team, yeah. So I'm just gonna add maybe a tablespoon of honey. I think honey might be a good preservative, and plus it has other benefits. So let's put some honey in here. Yeah. Okay, so we're doing 1 tablespoon of honey. That's it. And I think that's all. So that's it. Okay, so I think I might need to add a little bit of water to this. Don't want to add too much, but I'll add a little. Okay, alright, then I'm gonna put my cover on and give you a view of my okay, I'm going to pour this in a strainer, because the last time I did it there were some small little chunky bits or white bits that were on it. So I'm trying to see if I can remove that by blending it, but by straining it, I should say. So I use this on my face, I use it on my kid's face. It's very good for acne. It's good for the pump bottle that I got at the dollar store for $1.25. Has this nice little pump that you don't have to get any germs into the product. You just pump it and rub it on you. So I'm gonna pour it in here, and the extra I'll put in another bottle that I have. I'll keep it in the fridge, I'll put a label on it and put my manufacturer date and expiry date. I think it would be maybe good for a month in the fridge. And that's what we will do, baby. Alright. So I'm gonna maybe rinse this bottle out and pour what I can pour in here. I think this is gonna hold the full thing. So I'm just transferring my aloe vera into my bottle. The mouth is wide enough. I strained off anything that is too big, and there we go. Just put my thing in. And there we go. So all you need to do now is add a label to this. Write aloe vera mask. Put the date that you made it, and you'll keep it in your fridge for about, maybe it will be good for about a month, and then you can make another batch when this is outdated. Okay guys, so you can go ahead and make this product at home in your kitchen and use it daily on your face to get rid of any blemishes, acne, spots, any issues that you're having with your face. You can use this in there. If you're allergic to honey like me, you could try something else. I just added a small amount of honey to mine, so you can remove the honey or whatever ingredient that you think you might not like in it and just make your own. Just blend up the aloe vera. Aloe vera by itself is still good. Okay guys, all right, so remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more beauty videos, health videos, and lifestyle videos. It's Carrie the Chemist here. Thank you. Bye.